You're going to leave here. You see? You go home, whatever, you go back to your life, and guess what? It's going to be pretty much the same. You may or may not be different to it. Okay? But you're not going to have this environment. Okay? So you don't want to depend on the environment. So I'm driving the car, I'm listening to Sally Fields. And she wrote a book about her life. It's called In Pieces, I think, or something like that, right? She never felt like she was worth much, and she never felt like she had accomplished anything real, even though she had. I mean, she got Oscars and things. And but she said, I can't appreciate it. And that doesn't mean that I also don't have that nagging feeling that something's missing in life, that it's just out of reach, right? And I said, bingo, see, there it is. Everybody has that, right? It's something just sort of, see, it seems like it's in reach when you're reaching for stuff and you're accomplishing things like that, you're busy. See? But then in those moments when you're not so busy, whatever, and you look at people, right? It's always like, I'm incomplete. There's something that's not finished. Something that's not, it's not quite right. Got it, That's that domain I talk about, right? See? It's always on. And I think that the fundamental, there's the psychological aspect of it, see? There's the kind of existential assumption aspect of it, see, like that. But there's also just the existential reality of being human, part of it, that nobody grasps, nobody comes to grips with, you see, is that you don't know, you are ignorant, see? And you really, for the most part, don't know who and what you are, what life is, you see? And that's going to keep you constantly honest. Something is missing. Something's missing. Something's a little out of reach, you see? I gotta make it right. See, but that something missing is always held as, I will, when I get it, then I will know, and I will be complete. Right? See, then I'll be complete. It won't be missing anymore. See, if I'm done, I'll be done. I'll be complete. And I'm not saying that's not possible, but it's not possible. It's not possible trying to get it. It's not possible doing something to your experience or in your life trying to achieve it, because it's not the way it happens. It happens because of what's true here in the human condition. See, the human stuff. It's not even just an individual, because you notice that every individual's got it going on, something going on. See, it's not just individual. We got individual stuff, but like I said, I think, what do I know? But I think that in part, maybe major part, it's just this fact of not knowing that people mistake, see, as a malady, as a defect. See? I don't know. And that's a defect. But it'd be useful in the relative world to become comfortable with that defect, okay? Because it ain't going away. You know what I'm saying? See, there'll always be something you don't know. No matter how much you know. You can know tons of stuff. It doesn't resolve the fact that you are also ignorant and also don't know.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.